Alright, so next important concept in statistics is median. Median is just another measure of central tendency, just like mean or average was. And median is just simply the most central value of the data set. However, it is important to remember that to calculate the middle value of the data set, you have to arrange the data set in increasing or decreasing order. So after you have arranged the series in increasing or decreasing order, then median is the middle value of the set. However, depending on whether you have odd number of items or even number of items, calculation of median gets a little bit tricky. So let's see step-by-step method to calculate the median. The first step always is to order the numbers, and I always recommend to order the number in an increasing order because we are used to writing things from left to right. So we are used to thinking of things from left to right as in number line. So you could arrange the items in decreasing order. However, it is always recommended to arrange them in an increasing order. Find out the number of items and check whether the number of items is odd or even. If the number of items is odd, then the middle value would be nothing but n plus 1 divided by second value of the set, and you could just point that number and that will be your median. If the number of items in the series is even, then you will take the average of the values at n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1, and that would be your median. I know it is not 100% clear, so let's take an example. What is the median of the series 5, 11, 23, 17 and 29? So first let's make sure we order the number because the series is not in order. The right order would be 5, 11, 17, 23 and 29. If you miss this, you're going to make a mistake. Write down the number of items. So it is 5, which is odd, which means 5 plus 1 divided by 2, what number, which is the third number in the series, will be the median. In this case, it will be 17. That's the right median. However, what happens if the series has even number of items? We'll follow the same steps initially, order the numbers correctly. So 5, 11, 17, 23, 29 and 57. Number of items here is 6. We know that it is going to be even. So now we have to calculate the median, and median would be n by 2, which is 6 by 2th number, right, which is third number in the sequence, which is 17, and n by 2 plus 1, which is 3 plus 1th number, which is the fourth number in the series, 23, and we have to take an average of 17 and 23. 17 plus 23 is 40, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. So the average of these two numbers is 20. So my median for this series would be 20. As you can clearly see that the median doesn't always have to be part of the series. However, it will always be the middle number of the series. Couple of observations to understand the difference between mean and median. Mean is often easier to compute because we don't need to order, right? The bigger the series, the more difficult it will be for you to order. For mean, you just sum the numbers up no matter what order they are given. It considers the spread of the values, and to calculate the mean, each value in the data set is required, not with the median, because median requires either none of the values in the set because it is the middle value, or in case of even number of items in the set, median requires just the two middle values and their average to calculate the median. So median is not that much impacted by the outliers because outliers could be very far away. The median just kind of depends only on the middle values of the set, right? One problem with the median is it discards the spread of the values. So it doesn't matter if around the median the values are closed up together or spread out, you are not going to be able to figure that point of information from the median itself. All you would know is what is the central point of the series. These differences are important for you to understand the difference between mean and median and how to calculate them. One important thing that both have in common is mean or the median may be part of the series or may not be part of the series, which means they are not necessarily part of the series. Depending on what the series and how many terms it has, the mean and median could be completely different from the number in the series.